Creating professional pitch decks doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Today, I'll show you how to use RunApps LibreOffice Impress to create stunning presentations that will impress investors and clients alike. First, let's install RunApps LibreOffice Impress. Open your Go search browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. Search for RunApps LibreOffice Impress and click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension in the pop-up. Installation takes just seconds, and then you'll see the RunApps icon in your extension toolbar. Click on the RunApps LibreOffice Impress icon to launch the application. You can use it straight from the pop-up. Or you can choose the full screen mode that will lead you to the runapps.org page. LibreOffice Impress offers several professional templates to get you started. For our pitch deck, let's select this clean, modern template that will help our content stand out. Now let's add some polish with subtle transitions. For key points, we can add subtle animations. Select an element, go to the animation panel, and choose Appear or Fade In. Keep animations minimal and purposeful for a professional look. Remember to keep text concise. Use the formatting tools to create clear hierarchy with headings and bullet points. Also adjust brightness, contrast, and transparency to ensure a cohesive look. When your pitch deck is complete, click File then Save As. You can save in LibreOffice's native format or export to different PowerPoint formats for wider compatibility. If not, you can save your presentation directly as a PDF file. Then, get access to it from the File Manager. Download RunApps LibreOffice Impress from the Chrome Web Store today and start creating pitch decks that will help you win over any audience.